Are you looking for your own automated online business, but you don't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars pre-purchasing any upfront inventory? As the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula, I get to see which online businesses are working best, not just for ours, but also best for thousands of my students all over the world who have sold over $1 billion. I'm Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online for over 25 years, but what gives me the most excitement is helping other people build their own automated online home businesses, so they too can also quit working for somebody else and spend more time at home doing the things that they enjoy the most in life. Whether that's spending more time with the family or simply having more time for yourself to do the things in life that you're the most passionate about. Right now, I have a free online workshop teaching how anybody can build a full-time automated online business from the seat that you're sitting in right now, without having to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars pre-purchasing any upfront inventory. Let me show you how by clicking the register button below.